Hey everyone, Stephen Cheng here. Today we're talking about something crucial for anyone in the automotive world sourcing automotive plastic molds from China. China is known for cost-effective manufacturing, but there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. You can end up with top-notch molds or get stuck with shoddy pieces that'll cost you time and money. In this video, I'm breaking down the entire process to make sure you get it right. We're talking finding the right suppliers, navigating the technical jargon, and ensuring those molds are built to last. Stick around because this is information you absolutely need. Let's get started. First things first, we've got to find suppliers who know their stuff. Not all suppliers are created equal. Precision is everything. Start your search online. Platforms like Alibaba and Made in China are gold mines. Check out industry-specific directories or attend automotive trade shows. Pay close attention to their certifications. IATF 16949 is the gold standard for automotive quality. Look for experience specifically in car parts. Have they worked on dashboards, bumpers, engine components? Pro tip, check if they've worked with big names like Toyota, Ford or Tesla. Seeing these companies on their client list is a very good sign. It means they can handle the big leagues and probably won't cut corners on your project. Okay, you've found a few promising suppliers. Now it's time to do some serious digging. Safety is non-negotiable. You need a supplier who understands the regulations. Make sure they comply with all relevant standards like IATF 16949 and ISO 9001. Don't just take their word for it, ask for proof. Request copies of their certifications and audit reports. A reputable supplier will be happy to provide these. Delve into their experience further. Ask for case studies of previous automotive projects. What kind of molds did they create? What materials did they use? What were the challenges they faced? And how did they overcome them? This will give you valuable insights into their capabilities and problem-solving skills. Remember, trust is good, but verification is better. You're about to make a significant investment, so it pays to be thorough. Be meticulous in your due diligence to ensure you're making the right choice. Now that you've found a supplier who ticks all the boxes, it's time to talk specifics. Clear communication is key to getting the molds you need on time and on budget. Provide your supplier with detailed technical drawings and specifications. This includes dimensions, tolerances, materials, and finishes. When it comes to materials, automotive molds typically require high-grade steel like P20, H13, or NAK80. Specify the testing criteria for your molds, such as crash tests or UV resistance tests. Be crystal clear about your requirements to ensure your molds can handle the rigors of automotive use. Clarity prevents costly reworks and surprises later on. Now, let's talk money. Automotive molds are a significant investment, so negotiate smartly. Consider the volume of your order. The more molds you order, the better your bargaining power. Don't be afraid to ask for bulk discounts. Discuss payment terms. A common arrangement is a 30% deposit up front with the remaining 70% due upon inspection and approval. Always have a legally binding contract in place outlining specifications, timelines, payment terms, and quality control procedures. Include an NDA to protect your intellectual property. A reputable supplier should offer a warranty of 12 to 24 months on their molds. This gives you peace of mind, knowing they stand behind their work. Negotiate smartly to protect your interests and get a fair deal. Quality control is paramount when it comes to automotive molds. Insist on receiving T0 samples to inspect the molds and ensure they meet your specifications. Hire a third-party inspection company specializing in automotive components. Companies like SGS or TUV can provide comprehensive inspection services. Pay close attention to critical areas like surface finish, dimensional accuracy, and the presence of any defects. These molds will create parts that need to fit perfectly and withstand the test of time. Investing in rigorous quality control might seem like an extra expense, but it's minuscule compared to the cost of dealing with faulty molds. Ensure your molds meet the highest quality standards before full-scale production begins. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the complex world of sourcing automotive plastic molds from China. Your molds are perfect, they meet all safety standards, and they're ready to be shipped. Shipping large, heavy items like automotive molds requires careful planning. Understand the Incoterms you agree to, as they dictate responsibilities during shipping. Find a reputable freight forwarder with experience in handling automotive parts. Discuss the best shipping method with your freight forwarder. Sea freight is cost-effective but slower. Air freight is faster but more expensive. Be prepared for potential delays. Shipping times can vary depending on the time of year and other factors. Factor in a lead time of 8 to 12 weeks to avoid surprises. Plan your logistics carefully to keep your production schedule on track. And there you have it, your complete guide to sourcing top-quality automotive plastic molds from China. With the right knowledge and effort, you can find the perfect supplier and get those molds producing flawless parts. This is an investment in your business or project. Don't cut corners. Do your research, ask the right questions, and never compromise on quality. The payoff of having reliable, high-performing molds will be worth it in the long run. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. I always make time to answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.